So good morning, everyone. I'm Brock. Today, let's work on a LeetCode quiz again. Let's choose a category algorithm. Oh. Okay, so it seems that somehow LeetCode doesn't work today. Yep. So I just search for some other programming platform and find LeetCode. Okay, and it also provide different question site and yeah. And let's work on a medium question. So this question is group anagram. Given an array of string group all anagrams together into sublists. You may return the output in any order. An anagram is a string that contains exactly the same characters as another string, but the order of the characters can be different. Okay. I think this is pretty straightforward, right? Again, let's think about how we want to work on this question first. So for the data structure, maybe you can use a hash map to group words by their sorted character tuple, right? And then we may want to iterate through each word. Sort its character and use the sorted tuple as a key, right? Because if we rank it, it's the same, then it means that it's anagrams. And then we need to collect all words with the same key into the same group. Right? That's the basic strategy, I think. Based on this methodology, we can create a dictionary first. So we put the input into the dictionary. And then for word in strings, we want to sort them. We can use a Yeah, right. We sorted the words and then put into tuple. And then we want to put the key. So you see what we does is that we put the words map the key, right? The key is sorted. Let's say ABC, right? If we get a word like CBA, then firstly we sort it as ABC, and ABC will be the key, and CBA will be the value. And then what we are looking for is a list of the anagrams, and what they are looking for is a value, right? So basically, I think that's the whole idea, right? Firstly, we groups anagrams using sorted string as keys. Yeah, and then we print out the value. Let's see whether it works. Okay. Some the test cases get passed. Okay, this one submitted successful. And I think that this medium question is much easier than the LeetCode medium question. It's more like easy. Yeah, it feels like it's more like an easy one. Okay, it has. Okay, so yeah, so it's actually because there are so many around 3,000 different questions in LeetCode. So this website LeetCode actually take a small subset from it so that it's easier for for people to prepare, right? Yeah. I guess that next time when we get stuck in LeetCode, if LeetCode the website doesn't work somehow, I can use LeetCode to practice. Yeah. You see that? Okay. Yeah, I think that's pretty much for today. Well, yeah, before we finish, I think that I can quickly let ChatGPT explain the algorithm building functions and test the cases for the code. Okay, so you see, I think that ChatGPT is a better, presenter than me because it can, demonstrate this code much clearly, right? So the basic idea for the whole algorithm is firstly, we initialize a hash map. Basically, this is called dictionary in Python. Then we iterate through each word in the string. And the third step is that we will return grouped results as a list of lists. Okay. And there are some built-in functions we are using. So defaultdict. This is from connections module. It will automatically increase an empty list for loop keys. So you can directly append without checking if the key exists. Sorted. This built-in function returns a sorted list of the characters in odd. For example, sorted it will be a list of 3 strings, AET. Very helpful. You know, the reason why Python is so popular in the past decade is it has so many libraries that you can utilize. Right? Sometimes, you know, in the past, before coding agent, humans may don't remember all the libraries, but today when we're using coding agent, we can almost use any library available in the community, right? And tuple, this built-in function will convert the sorted list into a tuple, which is immutable and hashable, allowing it to be used as a dictionary key. Append. This build method will add an element to the end of a list. Oh, my cat is here. Values will return all values in a dictionary. List will convert iterable, like dictionary values, into a list, right? And here it's given test case. So firstly, we will sort all strings, these strings like it, t, h into AET, right? And then just print out. Yeah. Yeah. I think that the explanation of ChatGPT is pretty straightforward. So next time when I make this recording, I guess that we can work on we can make the whole process into 3 components. The first component is to, of course, read the question, understand the second thing, and the third one is that I think that I can use ChatGPT to create the whole idea, which I can also learn from it about how to demonstrate algorithm. Well, thank you, everyone. Bye. Today's a pretty simple one.